this one is Maisie. And this one over here is Lila.
You should separate.
They're very cute. And they're twins. Actually, no, they're triplets. They have a brother, although I don't have their brother. Someone else does. Cutie. Yeah.
Like that one.
You are a little cutie. Here, I'll put your house back in.
Can I hold one of the ones that doesn't? Which one's more
Yeah.
aggressive?
None of them are. They're cuties.
Let me have
Oh,
one.
she's going in your little house.
Well, let me have one.
And then Lila follows.
Let me have one.
So cute.
Grab one. Film the YouTube thing with them.
Oh. Okay, that's enough.
Faster than yours, too. P-I-N-K-P-I-M-P. I'm back again. I know y'all missed me. I'm so sick, can't handle it.